Welcome to this very special night here at Robinson's Manila Movie World for the red carpet and special screening of the inspiring Hollywood film, Ang Mga Bagong Munting Misyon. Let us give a big round of applause to everyone who is here tonight. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the sponsors who helped make this very tonight special screening possible. Madam Queen Ceci Bravo, Intel Builders and Development Corporation, Mr. Eric Kyung-san, E. Kyung-san Builders, Queen Sinclair Castro, Western Fitness, Sisley, Where's the Health and Wellness Center, Dr. Jen Dollars, Dress Chip, our venue partners, Mr. Aris Anavivas, Iloilo Gateway Hotel 7 Suites, Mr. Nino Boksin, Miss Regeline Vargalama, Soki Verde Resort and Events Place Tagaytay, Villa Cantis Private Home Resort. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta sa pelikulang Pilipino. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Congratulations, Direk!